What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 2 cents. I do think a big bounce opportunity is quite possible here. So we're sitting at a market cap of 985 million, 24-hour volume, 285 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, buy our cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Gala Games. So in the short term, on the 4-hour time frame, we are sitting on some support here. If I open this up, you can see right here we have a swing high, swing low, and that's currently where Gala has found support. Let me scroll back here. Beautiful ascending triangle. So if we do break out of this pattern, I will give you a breakout target. We could definitely see a large bounce for Gala, and that would take you up pretty much to the descending resistance of this descending channel, which is coming in at about 15 cents, 1.58. And if we continue to push up, you can find resistance right around here at 0.175 and 0.182. Now we're currently hitting resistance on the 20 EMA. If we were to fall out of this channel and come lower, then you would target the bottom of this support at about 0.113. Of course, we could come lower and create a bullish divergence and then push back to the upside. Just keep an eye on that as well. So we're going to look at the daily time frame. So you can come straight to our indicators and look at the RSI. I'm actually going to drop in a line here. So check out the last time we were this low was right here before we saw an absolutely massive push to the upside for Gala of 103%. Absolutely insane. Once again, we are that low on the RSI. We're actually a little bit lower. So I do think we could see a nice push here. We came all the way down to the 0.786. We could see a nice push, quite possibly up to the 0.5, which is about 67%. We may also come up to this trend line, which would be 115% at about 30 cents. I don't think we'll push much higher than that. As you can see here, we've had a blow off top, and I do think we're going to start creating consecutive lower highs, which is bear market structure. You can see here we created a lower high, and if we see a beautiful bounce here, we get rejected. We see a lower high once again, and we continue to come down, in my opinion. And I do think Gala is going to come all the way down to 0.067. What I want to show you guys here is Bitcoin in the previous bear markets. As you can see here, let me just quickly grab my brush. This is the bear market of 2018, 2019. We had a blow off top. We came down and we started to create consecutively lower highs. These are very tradable bounces and beautiful opportunities to go long, but we did continue to create consecutive lower highs. And I do believe we are creating bear market structure for Gala. So if we do see a beautiful bounce, I would expect us to create a lower high and see continuation to the downside. We can even get rejected here by the golden ratio at about 0.17. We've broken the golden ratio with our Fibonacci pull from this previous swing low up to our swing high. Sometimes I got to remember to breathe here. And that's a higher confirmation that you are going to come back down to where you started, which is coming in at 0.06. If we lose that level of support, that's when Gala is going to come down to the 1.272 at 0.03, the 1.618 at 0.01. As I've been mentioning, please watch my last Bitcoin video. I do think a major crash is coming. I do think we are going to come back down to the summer lows. And if we come lower to 22 to 24K, you will see Gala come back down to these levels. I do think we could definitely see a beautiful bounce back to the upside in the short term, but I do think these are some long-term targets for Gala. The bullish scenario is that we break this previous high, we create a higher high, and we see the continuation of the bull run, and we come up and we break the previous all-time high at about 79 cents for Gala. I do think it's less likely and less probable, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. That's pretty much it for Gala. I do think we could see a beautiful bounce to the upside. I will be posting entries either way. If we continue to break down, I'll post some short trades, but I do think this is a good opportunity to go long. Of course, we must wait for confirmation of a breakout with some volume to start entering long trades, but I do post them in the Discord at the $10 membership. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained. Oh yeah, let's quickly pop that open here and see how our DCA trade is doing. Very simple method of trading. So far, we've had 3 entries with Gala as we have been making profits on the way down. Your break even is sitting at 0.21 and your next buy zone is coming at 0.109. Equal amounts of each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. It's fully explained in the Discord. We have the live dollar cost average charts on the channel, and we also have buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses for my trades. These are separate from the DCA charts, totally different trading method. These are for exact entries, exits, take profits. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you, wow, I lost my breath. I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.